In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change server settings on Discord. If you're organizing a new community or fine-tuning an existing one, this will help you get exactly where you need to go, quickly and confidently. Before we start, make sure you're using an account that has permission to manage the server. You'll need to be the server owner or have a role with the Manage Server permission. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, it's likely a permissions issue, so check with the server owner. With Discord open, select the server from the left sidebar so you're looking at its channels. At the very top left of the app, above your channel list, click the server name. That opens a small menu. From there, choose Server Settings. That's the doorway to everything you can customize about your server. Inside Server Settings, you'll notice a menu on the left with categories. Think of this as your control center. In Overview, you can rename the server, update the icon, and adjust basic preferences. Roles is where you define who can do what. Great for organizing admins, moderators, and members with different levels of access. Safety or moderation sections help you set verification levels, content filters, and spam protections to keep conversations healthy. You'll also see places to manage emojis and stickers for your community's expressions, and integrations or apps if you connect bots and external tools. The audit log shows a history of changes, which is helpful if you're working with a team and want to see what's been updated. As you make adjustments, read the short descriptions under each option. Discord provides helpful explanations right in the panel. Some settings save automatically, while others require you to click Save Changes at the bottom. If you see that button, use it before leaving the page. Otherwise, your edits won't stick. If you're on mobile, the idea is the same. Open the server, tap its name at the top of the channel list, then choose Server Settings. The layout is slightly different, but the controls and categories are familiar. When you're finished, close the settings window or press Escape to return to your channels. Your updates apply immediately, and you can always come back and refine things as your community grows. If you ever change something by mistake, just revisit the same section and switch it back. The audit log can help you see what changed and when. And that's all there is to it. Click the server name, open Server Settings, and customize your space to fit your community.